Hey, yo.
Hello, Mr. Man.
Una dey knock. Una you enter like ghost. Una dey knock. Una you wetin happen?
Abeg, wetin dey knock? Na person house busy. See me see success so.
Abeg, there's no need for agreement here. We have been here standing.
Wetin una dey find? Na work una find come abi? Na work una find come abi?
Exactly, that's why we are here. We want to submit our application.
Abeg, na tomorrow go be audition, no be today. Around 10 a.m.
Wetin we dey audition for? Na big brother house wey we dey abi na fit wan call out.
Abeg, no use your own matters for my matter.
Abeg, na question wey I just ask, she wan kill me.
No be audition. They do audition, interview to know sabi who go fit work. Na pedicure abeg na tomorrow go una dey go dey busy abeg una continue. You no be like when they go even give work sef. But just come. Future day. Abeg una dey go dey busy abeg. Audition. Na no be pass sef. Work go hard for una to get. Una too like this like. But I go dey sell something for go store or do POS.
This life, when I dey talk say wahala really be like bicycle, some people think say I dey Jones. Wahala be like bicycle. No be say I no get handwork. I get handwork now. Sabi me ke? I stupidly. You came, you no get sense. Small thing you don't vex. They just talk to you anyhow for that work. Now you vex. Now you come out. Now I don't apply for more than 8 places. Nobody will agree take me for work. Only more can take my hand, go carry children come for village. No be say they tell me say I carry them because I want for better brother. They go carry them come now.
Wetin happen?
Bro, they hungry. My sister like that inside. I believe they pay them.
I know. Even me say I dey hungry. I know.
But I'm hungry.
Big mistake when I carry my hand go put for electric wey wan shock me. I for carry am for village o. I leave una go and see o. Which type of business? I never feed myself. I go carry una come sef. Which kind wahala be this one sef? Me and no problem. No worry. Me no be like say I call the cry. Make you call the see my cry. But if you big, you go get my character. Here, just go inside. I won't go somewhere. If I come back, I will.
But I know they get anywhere.
See, come. This your niece where you get. The person will give you, I go find her, I go kill her. Leave me. When they want to enter, they won't come on. I think you go to owe me. You just say you come.
No, you go anywhere.
No, you go. Oh, you owe me now. Okay, now follow me.
I don't understand. Na big people wey come dey. Sometimes all this my head talking about this way you talk your head like don't take that one. Just na where this man want.
Even if na baby show will come sef for don go since.
If you no see as if we have anything.
Don't do. Na go audition. You come decide. Stand according to your height. Come decide. If I dey talk, dey do quick, but then they tell me you are there. I don't to go toilet today. Come decide. You future gay, you come. I tell you yesterday I'll get your time today. You come be gay, future go.
Say you just carry big belle stand.
Belle wey make the poor head dey sleep till morning, they dey comfortable. Now you dey complain for. You never do better thing.
Oga, when the person wey get the shop pan.
Call her for phone, I get number. Now you be candidate. Now call her for phone. Yesterday this I pursue you yesterday. Excuse me. Wait. I dey shop first. No too quiet.
So that the shop for na master wey come. Abeg, I go show up that one.
You go dey go house o. I know what they tell you. You go dey go house. When I come find work, when I dress with house clothes, I say na dey go wash backyard, abi? I dey you wear glass. Comot that glass for your eye. Comot that make dem dey see your face. Okay. Whether you come work or you come work. Official case dey one place. You wear canvas. Wan collect the work. See if you work as in sabi do facial, you go dey press people.
Yes. I worked in the US. I worked in the UK. I worked in Australia.
I
worked in different countries.
Hey, the destiny got head. Yeah. Hey, your destiny got head.
No, so many people.
See, this exclusive salon I go so. Excuse me. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome to Exquisite Unisex Salon. I am the owner of this place by God's grace. This is the second branch. We have 4 branches scattered around town, and I'm currently going through your applications. I must say they are quite impressive.
Oga, I love your sunglasses.
Excuse me. Oga, this one I dey up. Go dey wear tutu jeans if you dey come work. This one never dey say I will buy part join. Man, upcoming Bobrisky. This one.
Yes, because of the number we have here, I would have to hire as much as I can, but I have to scatter you all around my branches. Is that fine? Okay. Having said that, you can now dismiss. Thank you.
Hey, come here. Come this side.
What's your problem? What's your problem? You're not the best now, you see.
You talking to God. I mean, they dey here. In like house. They stand in the house.
See this your big brother. I go less out for you.
Now you don't win. There is come back. Oh boy, I go buy part. You are this. I go buy part for you. America, na bye here. Allah, organic. Alpha. And if I walk. Wait.
Here?
Yeah? You mean this place? Ah, fine, Barbie. Anyway, I go forgive you. Let me get here now. Let me get here. I nearly build myself. Now yesterday I open, I just employ people. You know, say we boys where get money, where don't go outside country, don't travel, we dey like invest. And you know, say the government now they try. So now say I just do. I been want use all this money when I take open this place, go chop fish. Show me and one girl. Now just say instead of me to chop fish like that, I just do this place to help the less privileged.
Wow, that's nice. Are you kidding me?
They kill you. All these fine girls said that. So I be like, they watch Nickelodeon.
No, that's not what I meant. I meant, are you serious?
If I don't talk, I know they play with business, so. Yeah, they go, so they want to show me one land, then I want to go buy one big land. I want to build a spa.
Oh, spa?
Yes, spa. You have to show those spaghetti.
Okay, anyway, can you, I would like to work here. I don't know if you can help me, you know. I'm ready to do anything, just to work here.
Oh, wow. And yesterday I just employed everybody.
Wow. Wow. Thank you. And this is you. Oh, okay. Is it you?
No, my senior worker did that. Let me first pass the exam. It's a bit bad, it's a bit bad. Let me put the face for them so that, you know, I don't want they call kidnap me. They call they read me for radio. Say they don't kidnap. They call they pay Samson. No, Ramson. No, Ramson.
Are you kidding me?
So here the way I take get money, I know they like me people know. So now I just put that guy for there.
Oh.
Yes. So just anything. Make I go buy the land. I don't think you can finish like 100 million. It's not as much as it. Anything.
Hey, my.
Hey, Samson, I beg no vessel. Help me check your time and your phone time. Tell me where time there, I beg.
I beg, go and get your own time, please. I don't have your time.
Stop now. Get sense. You get the reason why they ask me to check time. Get sense. It's a very important thing. I won't know why.
Please, it's after 12. Stop disturbing me.
After waiting. Hey! Wahala really be like bicycle. Just imagine after 12 and since morning and even get one customer. Hey! This work person that they talk so he really a trouble man life. This morning person never even get one customer to.
We're talking about your customer. Even my spray, why they used to work, don't finish service.
It don't finish. It never finish something. Imagine this morning, no, it's never even work. Hi. Ah, wow. So person want to beat us.
Let me just check my own time, sir.
And I did think.
Guys, give it I want to tell us. So you know, say as we did this place, all of us be like family. So like this, all of us will cooperate. You know, understand? Hey, remember, say I tell us say when I go lame that I get one fine game when I see.
When I tell her say na me get here based on packaging, she don't tell me say she dey console. Like this all of us go cooperate. Una go just embarrass me. Once you just come and embarrass me, they call me boss or oga. Una just praise me, you feel me down. And I go just say, hey, workers, I'm like
Wahala really be like bicycle. For how much you want give me?
I wonder, this was you just get leg like this. Today we just come work, we won't come fry guy, come dey eat. You get problem, oh.
Come, they want yourself. Not to say because of say they call you T-baby, you come say na that T-baby where do you boko. Your phone name na T-baby. They want yourself.
Carry yourself with your problem, eh? Give me chance. What you know the money and work? Okay, welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Darling, which of these idiots says such to you?
Look at him. Yes.
Santos. So it's you again, Santos. Eh? So you had the effrontery to tell my woman that you own this place and that you are willing to offer her a job if she does what you want her to do.
Okay, me? Okay, I go see your woman, your everything. I'll go tell her say na my own.
Baby, he's like your life.
Darling.
Darling.
He's calling me darling.
And all this kind of thing I don't like. So now this kind of thing they happen for our family. If they don't they like for our head, so they be like magnet. Anything where that person talk, we go they talk am. When I tell you since they think whether that or that boy what go take key this foul. This Ghana weaving. Now me when I tell you they walk. They say they won't take.
Will you just shut your trap? Eh? Santos, the way things are going, it is obvious you will not last long working with me.
Okay, you did right. I said shut up, I'm not talking to you.
Darling, let's go. Santos, by the way, I asked everyone to wear black trousers on my shirt. Santos, why are you wearing this?
Black trouser on your shirt. But wear black shoe. Nike.
Santos, meet me in my office. My darling, please.
You won't talk you on that. Tell you what.
Why this boy character dey? Why you character dey? No, tell me
No,
why.
See, don't warn yourself. They hear what I tell you so. Your lap and your leg will be the same size.
I beg, don't go insult me. Strike that one. I beg,
Our guy is talking.
come.
Okay, I want to increase my salary.
Baby is coming.
My salary is not good enough.
Baby, joke.
Okay, Santos. Oga, go meet Oga.
Oga, go meet Oga.
Oga, Santos.
Quick, Oga, go meet Oga.
Wait till you go see blessing and sack and sack.
Almost that night just a common shoot.
You want me to
I
walk
cry for the boy.
I dey sorry for the boy.
Oga, go meet Oga. You see the? Say my boss.
Dey go.
Stay here.
No even know wetin carry me come back to this jaga country. Eh? For just day my England, they live like first citizen. When you be like say if I want go shop like this, I'll carry like 7 cars.
Oga, shut up.
Yeah,
Like
they
you they make noise. You don't come again. It's not go fit hear songs for this shop.
They take your time. It is safe to say the government not seize my money. You don't know how many estates I forget for this
Oga,
country.
keep quiet now. Make person think.
They let this boy dey talk. This boy, see, this man tell man let me.
I no go support
This
am.
boy, now he dey always dey talk true too. He just that sometimes if he dey talk true, the truth dey be like it dey be like lie. I believe you. Wait, where you talk say your money dey gain? United, waiting. Where?
Oga, you won't dye your hair. Na dye. Oga, nothing to make around of. Auntie, I want some.
Excuse me, I beg. No, I want to show.
Let me see am. I don't understand.
Oh, no,
You don't talk to your father. Oga, wait. Now come down. Make around of for you now. Oga, now get down. Anyhow you want.
Which of you get
Oga, what is going on? Shut up! What you do? You dey mad? I said shut up.
See the boko.
Oga,
you shut up. Don't shut up first. Do like say you never come. What you talk?
if you knock, I will slap.
branch. You don't hear what he talk. You say wetin?
See, no hit me.
Will you keep quiet? You go do wetin?
I want to wait clap for you.
Wait, come. You know, wait. Una two. Men will shut up.
Oga, keep quiet. I don't think go.
Do you realize if I do you realize I am here? The boss is here.
And so?
Shut us.
No, you know the year where I tell me say make am.
Oga, shut up. Sorry, sir.
Oga, so una two get plans, abi? Lie for this one, say you know the data. Because if you know the data, this thing is broken. But they follow me, they talk.
It's like this. I mean, I push like this.
If do you understand that if you lay your hands on her, you step
Oga, see. I go to waste slap for this guy. I go to waste slap for your
No, so that they do for Nigeria.
Okay, can I hear myself? Please.
Is this people working?
I mean, I push like. Never go.
Is this how you push?
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so very sorry. It's my fault.
Oga, let me face you.
Are you the boss?
Yes, I am the boss. Please, what can we do for you?
I want to cut my hair. I just want to cut my hair.
Oga, let me know. I'm facing the customer.
Can you just shut your trap?
Sorry.
Ikem.
Sir.
Please, attend to him.
Thank God it's because of all this problem. Make una respect myself.
Who called this one?
Bros, come. Just come.
This way it goes.
This shop is just boring. No TV, nothing. And my sub is even finished.
This thing where you just complain now, so you just remind me when I be England. I for don carry una go better place now. Go do una head spa, all this organic design one that they do body. Come on, safe. You even pass chemistry safe.
And who tells I no pass chemistry? You dey my school with me.
Tini Boski.
I beg go on one side. You sure say they no deport to come Nigeria? You dey they talk this headshot this.
Don't do because say you want go play ball. I mean you do this year, you don't pass the test. This air now, you not fit thief one of these things you do. They so weak.
I beg don't just enter my matter this afternoon. I beg.
Tini Boko. Tini Boko, tell me true. You don't reach 10 years.
Santos for me.
Santos! Fake shop. Anyway, take this money. Go to any nearest provision store you see around. Tell them to give you crystal clear cutter.
Since all these children now, they don't be really me be adult ready. If people.
Are you okay? Are you well? Do you want to lose your job? Take this in. Santos! Get out.
Wait, the crystal clear goods are always in my buy so. How the tea they be so that if I see I go recognize them.
When you get there, just tell them crystal clear cutter. They'll give it to you.
I don't want to work out 2 times. Now wait till they'll fit carry for wheelbarrow so that you give me wheelbarrow money.
Santos!
Tini Boko, give them my legit customer call. Just the if you help me just put water for fire first. Make the water not too boil.
Have anything to do?
Something? So, don't you have something to do? They answer because you answer.
I don't forget now.
Will you you get up from there?
Yes.
You.
Eh?
She has hair to make.
I go wash toilet. Maybe I say, get there. Shoe?
Will you move?
Who now?
Wow. While I really be like bicycle. I go wash toilet.
No, come and wash me.
The way you send me, they never produce them.
You see? That is what you get for trying to clean what you're not. You can never own this kind of place. What kind of person you are?
Wait. Don't tell me say you send me waiting over the life. After I go work out, you can go.
Shut up your mouth and give me back my money. Give me.
See, madam, you go there use when they respect yourself from true. And not be when I come find work for you, I not see you for you. You send me, I don't waka, they answer whether they get clear bill. So
you will soon lose your jobs. We all know you will soon lose your jobs.
Now they threaten me.
Oh yeah.
You know whether I go marry
if you don't pick up this money and put it in my hand, I will make sure that you do this place. Now, you can try me.
Wait.
Hello, baby.
Take it. They don't know they follow you the place. Take your money. If not say I like my profession, say I like this baba work. But you go make it they threaten me because of this thing. I walk out the whole time, they find clear gutter.
Okay. Get some towel where it came so.
Ma, should I repack your hair?
Who sent you a message?
Don't waka time.
This one
You have to like to play Baba Ijeoma. Mama and Papa never play Baba Ijeoma. Every time they hold person and mortuary. This the two class them they play Baba Ijeoma. Only boys only get them they play Baba
Ijeoma. My dear, you don't need to be surprised. Maybe this guy have picked someone money.
Don't be lie, yo.
Something you bad.
upcoming game.
You pick money for them.
I beg you relax. Which kind of bad na dey give somebody? You see person wey just dey in happiest mood. When I just dey bite am. Eh?
Oh, who call you for this matter? You just drink finish, Nnanna, I don't forget.
Obi.
Santos.
I don't see you this kind of enjoyment. And the kind of life when I dey wan live. Tell us wetin dey behind this thing. Tell us.
I don't tell you say get gift of seeing. But you go end up for Salon. May God help you. May your blade will leave your hand. You get that game where would I give me yesterday? The buy Ijeoma Monday special 3 direct. Now I play am with that 1-5. I collect for that large hand. Nobody enter. Nobody seen don't enter.
Serious?
I go to the office to collect the money.
Wait, Obi. So you mean say that game where you play so all of them enter?
Play Baba Ijeoma. Mama and Papa they play Baba Ijeoma.
May you buy drink for us now. Na many men wey dey do am.
Mama and Papa they play Baba Ijeoma. Come on for this side, come on for here.
Obi, see, you know say na you be better person for this show. And then you no go good say you just see me as I don't know anywhere. You know say since I come from how I just from house to this place, I not too know anywhere for my country. Na England I stay grow, they do everything. England.
And I was sent.
I can never be poor man. Like
Black man.
Wait. While I really be like bicycle. Wait, I want to ask you something. Now this Baba Ijeoma money. When we talk so, now you dey go want to buy motor. I been another money they talk.
Not be only motor, I go build that. Just watch before this December. I go arrange my ride.
Any more for clothes, we back of clothes. Oh, do you know my go use 1,000 plan? Your story don't change.
Abi?
Story don't change.
Hey, Obi, I believe you. I believe you.
For now,
it go clear for the eye. It go clear for the eye.
I don't see.
Some people want to become on that. Please, my dear, please. I don't eat this kind of local things in the food. I eat shawarma. Please,
I bet what I drink with us now.
I go soon come again one customer.
Nice. Bad guy, just. Excuse me. What's the problem? What's the problem? Excuse me to my fingers.
Face your face your side. This one no get work. I don't expect. Yeah, you don't carry. Snapchat, don't say you fine, sir.
Baba.
Yes?
That's me.
After what you want back?
My brother say ma come collect bread and indomie.
Your brother again to come collect bread and indomie. He dey owe me and I never pay and you wan still collect on that one. Abeg, I no dey sell for credit. Tell your brother say the one wey dey owe me since make he give you the money come na season with am. I no dey sell for credit again. If you no bring am, make you no near this place, and if you no owe money, no near here. Abeg, I no dey sell for credit again. Dey go. Tell your brother say make he give you the money, but I no dey sell. Every time I go dey come dey buy credit so I no go pay. Na so life dey. I need money oh. If you no get money, no near this place.
Mommy J! Mommy J International!
Now what?
Mommy J Worldwide!
This one wey dey hail me, so I don't know wetin carry you come here. The one wey dey owe me, you never pay. You send your small brother come and don pursue and go back. You carry am come make I see say you need me. Wetin you come find again?
Mommy J, see when I talk say wahala be like bicycle, wahala really be like bicycle. Shebi you know that work when I tell you say I go work day for yesterday. Up to now they never pay me. But see, Mommy J, no be say I hear the carry dey talk, no be say because I hear the carry dey yarns.
Anytime when they don pay you as you don talk so then you no go near here again. So na im make me and say I no dey sell for credit again.
Mommy J, see, come. See, no be say I hear the carry dey talk, no be say I hear the carry dey yarn. Trust me this time. See, again work what I wan go do. See, if after that I finish that work then na 60k na they go pay me. And as I pay me that 60k, I go give you your money, I go even give you jara joy.
So you dey always dey talk now. You go give me my money, you go give me my jara.
Mommy J, just believe me this time. See, just calm down. You don't know me. No, me no. You don't trust me.
I know you.
You don't know me.
I know you. Oh, I know you.
Mommy J, see, I beg. The only thing I don't need for you, you just give me one bread and one indomie. Because of this, my younger one. How do they beat them?
This one wey dey talk plenty, so I no wan just reason you. Now because of this boy wey keep face like wetin I no know, so na im make I go just give you. But if I give, I dey beg you now. Once I give you, deliver. Pay me my money. So me and you go live in peace. So me and you go live in bread and indomie. Yes. Give me my money. Oh.
You no get problem. You no get problem. You you go do your face, they split your face. You go must let everybody know say you dey hungry. So this get person go do your face like who wish born give thief. You no go fit smile for one smile. Get sense wey be smile. We go disgrace me. Go bless someone dey give you my food. Laugh. Holiday.
Bread and indomie. When the money come, remember, make you pay me my money.
Okay, Mommy.
You no pay me the money, no.
No, Mommy, no worry now. Tomorrow morning now.
No wahala, I don hear.
That's it. Are you mad?
Madam, good afternoon. Madam, you know what I say?
Are you mad?
So, this place is now a disco hall.
I told them.
I saw you dancing. You told them.
Thank you. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, he did it.
Shut up!
Sorry, ma'am.
Where is Santos?
Okay, Santos, yes.
Don't go. You don't walk.
When he gets back, tell him to see me in the office with the money I asked him to get me. He has not made an account, so he needs to make an account to me in the office. Okay. And if he doesn't bring the money to me, he will leave, and all of you will join him. Santos, where are you? If you know what to do, you better start looking.
Yes, ma'am. I never
see
did
him,
that.
go
Go
outside now.
No, I go.
Lose job.
Madam, how are you? You go see him. You go see him with the money. You go see him with the money. I will try for this woman come.
This one.
To be my money. If you didn't bring any money, I'm going to start it.
Why not too much? Tell them never go marry. You have no problem. Your problem has to
I want to let you know, say, are they very, very serious?
Oh,
I don't play that game so that money can
come. My man. Oh, but most of them don't let me. I don't get waste, play all this waste. I don't want to enjoy this season.
I understand.
I don't want to enjoy. You say your mind for that game.
Seriously.
A small thing about. I just did expect inside. If you feel on now.
I been forget that thing. You know risk when I don't take for England. You know how many war when the feel say you get one time I wear soldier nika, they carry me join follow the go war, and I know as I take come back. Forget all those things. I beg.
You are this your England again. Don't start. You don't go head bridge. You don't from head bridge go up Piweka. Every time you go let me see your words. England. I be which England. You know how it depends on how much you put. If you put like that day why I win that money, why I take on shop so whether they talk about that one, they will not get full shop. I use 100 naira for collect 7,000. So I use that 100 naira collect 7,000, but after I use 150 collect 10,500. I started the enjoyment be that.
100 naira. They win 7,000 naira. Hey. Hi Obi, I know say I go make am since I come back to this country. Hey, but if I come put 5,000 naira, how much if you say the thing go fit give me?
You sabi get big vision. You are dey put 100, 150, you want put 5,000. 5,000. You got 100,000.
Hey! 100,000!
I want to go follow go collect 100,000. That's my guy.
I talk as say me, I go blow for this country.
You expect my game.
Hey!
Don't send me game for tomorrow, midweek.
Yeah, but no fear say I dey ask plenty question. So if I come double that 5,000, come be 10,000 naira, like how much will be come out for inside?
Come, what if it is Santos? I be Santa Cruz. You get big iPhone. No, wait, just but me want teach you now. Now you want first me collect big money.
Yeah, you go to put big money so that I don't go waste time for the business.
If you use, how much you say if you want use?
If I put 10,000 naira.
10,000. If you use 10,000, they get like 250. Your play, you use collect. Don't play like 3 direct. Just check your date of birth. Just find number like single 10, 15, single 10, 15, 11, or single 10, 25. Your plan 3 direct. You enter with that. How much 10,000 abi? 250.
250,000 naira.
250. Don't collect with that. 250.
Obi, as soon as I make that money, I go chop Oga madam. Oga babe, I must chop am.
Hey, now your mind day. Big thing. The day your eye, big thing. You go die big die you.
I go chop Oga babe.
Santa Claus, I'm waiting for this mumu name like go give you. I don't know do you name it. You wait now, Oga babe. I want you to get this money. I want to get this money.
I go show you say life na sense. After all, now England now we get the only woman wey be Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, you they call this England. They catch you go jail.
No worry.
Oga babe, big
I go show you
5,000, 10,000.
But
they go to employ people.
I go show you say by tomorrow I will give you 5,000 naira.
I dey wait. I get one.
They start the game.
I get one. It's a watch. Say, I go sell. Like.
See guys, matter now. The kind money where they come my way swear. Hey, Santos don't blow.
This boy.
Santos don't blow.
Who be this one? Who be this one?
You when I know. If you mistakenly blow or that this money you talking to money mistakenly come. Order anything I pay that you don't feel buy give person because you too stingy.
Okay, for now to believe say I don't rush it. When I just go buy things for credit. Because as it be like this now, so as they tell una say the money where they come so they never won't pay money where you never see.
Wait. How much? And why is that increase? That's good for nothing.
Shaman, where is my money?
Oga, drop your hand and shoe. You want shook your hand for my eye because of that small change when I just say make I take go see front. See, Oga, now you dey block my way now so because I'm na cash out at the go. They carry call those motor where they carry those big carry. The ambulance where I want to go carry the money. They don't dey road dey wait for me. And I don tell T-Baby and this girl say they will use Afia to so flower boys I should be for my marriage. Whether day or this guy will be any of my best man. She will not call the shout for me because of small change.
Santos, are you out of your senses? Are you talking to me like that? Eh? Meet me in my office now. Now!
Mona the one am if I the best at the Mona the one am.
Who give English organ? You go need to work Mona.
I respect for organ. No dey mention me for this kind of matter. No dey mention me for this kind. Another one. See, I no get shame ba.
Now you want put me for trouble for this shop, abi? Bless say you won't lose your work. Man, see here. Nothing there.
After that they lose one. Now me go first go sack. I go sack myself. This guy small boy because of say your guy get this kind of day. They shook up for myself.
You got it. I know you did that to call us. Walk no dey. They call that small boy. This boy get mind. They call that small.
Ibab, why I really be like bicycle? This will not be computer. We be like say I dey press since last 2 weeks. When everywhere on. Like why not call the one again? Come. Be again. Since when you carry your hands out to the touch this computer not dey work again. You don't carry your pipe switch. Can't spoil the computer.
So you don't spoil computer now. Now they carry this problem. Now one computer my head, Abi. I beg no involve me for this trouble where you they try carry come up now. No try am again. You don't spoil them now. Now you they use am for many days now. I beg.
Now what you talk about? Yeah, they talk. They go ask question now. Thank you. How many of these things? Someone stop. You two, see me in my office.
Look.
I beg, keep your face straight. Video they do.
I beg, keep that your video, keep your hair away. I don't understand.
Waiting, today we just try touch my hair. They do my hair like.
Auntie, no pay me.
I don't pay you. Waiting. Ha.
Oga, well done. Oga, good afternoon. Anything?
Is your boss around?
No, he's not around. He went out.
I heard that Santos was here.
Santos? Santos works here.
Are you people trying to play with my intelligence or what?
No, Santos they work here now.
No.
Well, I came to inform you people that Santos have been arrested. He came to my shop and played game. He did not pay.
Hey!
So he has been arrested now. If you people would like, you can go and bail him. Then if you don't like, forget about him.
No problem.
Oga, we hear it. Thank you for the information, sir.
None of my business.
Yeah?
If you like, then I'm going.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey! Santos, they don't arrest Santos.
I talk am. As soon as I tell you. Hey! You go this one. See am.
It's so sad that none of you can give account of the sales you make in the shop. Instead, you mismanage funds. You don't keep the place clean. You don't make good account of the things you sell. Customers are complaining about you people and your services. This is not how they know Exquisite Salon. You are spoiling, you're tarnishing the image of the salon outside. And I would not have it. So I've come to decide that I would send you all to other branches where you have people overseeing your misconduct. Then employ fresh people who would represent this business the way I want it to be represented. So if you know you're not going to work with us, please signify by raising up your hand. So you all are accepting to work with us. No problem. Have a wonderful day.
As for me, I'm not going anywhere. There's no job again.
Hey, Wahala really be like bicycle. If I come up for this place now, if I come up for here, tell me where I want to get another work for this town. I'm not they come up for this place. I pay here. In fact, I die for this place. Where I want to go? I get where I want to go.
You say you don't have any money. I don't have anything. Tell your boyfriend. What's your thing they do?
What is the business with my boyfriend now? It's like I don't see the way they look my boyfriend. Leave my boyfriend alone, Oga. Leave my boyfriend alone. Wait see.
Hey, can't your boyfriend give up now? You know
What's concern my boyfriend for this matter now?
Can I have his number?
Leave my boyfriend.
Please call his number. What? Please, I will.
My dear, don't forget, this evening, come my house this evening. Hope they don't chop. This I can. This evening, no. Alright, bye-bye. Madam! Tomorrow! Don't be doing here. Tomorrow! So I better come outside before that your madam is not a smile. Come on, why she did? Where your madam? Have fun now.
What's the carry from church?
This see, get big cheese with the crown now. Big one. You get one job. Yeah, one meter.
I tell you, so I don't get job.
This thing. I mean, leave that matter. See, there's a huge job in town. Big one, oh. Salon, big salon. They pay well, say 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. And the worst part is, see, fine boys they come and sugar daddies them. If they eye one when they make it.
Where be the location? Where be the good?
I don't apply you both. I don't forget. I go remember the location, but I want you to apply. See you. Today apply. So tomorrow you go start work. As it dey like this now, people they watch that place. So I think I can't ask my friends. So me and you go don't understand. I don't apply already. I don't even start work as thing like this.
When are we going?
Tomorrow. Leave this. This not be work.
What time?
In the morning, we go even reach there before they go open their shop.
No problem now. Tomorrow I will call you.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Okay? Tomorrow. It's like a propos. Be like saying now true she talk. Oh yeah, they pay me 50. That 50K, eh? I need them. I go call her.
Good afternoon, sir. This is my friend Olivia. I brought her to see her concerning the job. You know, since I've already applied, I felt maybe it would be a very nice idea to someone that can assist us.
What was the name?
Olivia, Jennifer, sir. Jennifer.
Have we done this kind of work before?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You know what happened? Come tomorrow morning to the office, so I have to test you and know.
She's good. She can get.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Man, what is the name?
Huh? You mean my name?
Yes.
Isaac Ogana.
Your full name?
Let me just tell you now. Take it one year. Isaac Ogana.
Don't you have a surname?
Let me just. Okay, see, like this now, no, let me do. You understand? I never born pikin. No, let me do like this now. Even if I want born pikin, it go be girl. Do you understand me? You understand me? It go be girl because I don't need headache. I don't want me all these ones when they come to give me headache. So I go first get pikin, wait be girl. You understand? You know, say all those girls they fresh. They fresh well. So no, let me do for now. I need the thing. So the matter be.
Mr. Man, what I mean that I'm not asking about your son's name. I mean your father's name. Don't you have your father's name?
Oh, hi. Voila. See, my brother, no blame me. See that name tire me. You see that my papa name, it tire me. Me self no fit pronounce am. That make I just carry am gently. Carry am through way. I keep am once I lose get that name. Make it first day. So now, no let me na day. So my name na Isaac Okulo Kalisia 1. Do you get? Ezigbo OG n'ime ogbe. abeligwegwu.com. Okwo sinke.
If I may ask you, what can you do in this office?
Hey, now call them off now. For 10 minutes, I come meet for Whiskey Junior. Okay, you mean what I feel do? You mean what I feel do?
And on the street today, now, if you do anything, if you don't get anything, you understand? If you do anything, but normally, my profession, like killing. You understand? I feel kill rats, I feel kill lizard, I feel kill anything. You know, say, see, this your shop fine, well. So you know good, make rats come they disturb your customers. So if you carry me come here, everywhere go deal well. Believe me, give me this work, a job opportunity. I go do you well.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
You say you're looking for work.
Yes, now.
Can you just look from here to down? Look at how you just dress. Like all this arbolo, all this whatever something. And you say you're looking for work.
Open your own market.
When you're coming to this place, the signboard outside, don't you see what we wrote there?
I see what you write now. Stylist needed. With your number where there, where stylist yourself. No be you I call for phone. I don't even know say na for Brisky Junior now they even come meet you. For tell me now, make I know.
Can you just calm down? Just calm down. You're making noise. You're shouting. You know what? We are looking for a stylist, not arbolo like
you.
You
I know be arbolo.
Go and meet your village people and ask them what they did to you. Okay? Thank you very much.
Okay, see, this thing not be thank you matter. You never used to speak English. Give me this work. This thing now job opportunity. No come was past Buhari now.
Gentleman, whatever you call yourself, Isaac or whatever. I'll get back to you next time, okay?
You get back to me.
Thank you. I'm getting back to you, okay?
Yeah. So make I go.
Thank you.
Jennifer, see. Don't worry, once Oka don't implore things for you, I bet you don't do the money. For your dream. See the grown down one now. Why they laugh? I'm serious now. This one now, wish comes true. And by the time the general manager said that toilet, they go washing. Do you know why I love you? What's it? Because you're a dreamer. Don't worry, now. Don't be so that they dream from Bible, the dream they come to pass.
Once again, thank you very much. I want to appreciate everyone for the service you all are going to render in this film. Also, I would like to introduce each other so you can be familiar. And I don't need fighting in this office. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, Shoma, Jennifer, this is Isaac. Isaac, this is Shoma and Jennifer.
Nice to meet you, Isaac.
Wahala! See fine girls everywhere. See fine girls. See my name is Isaac. Oh, Kalisiawa. It's my OG Mowe. Start. See I want to go make everywhere wet. To wet everywhere. I swear.
Excuse me. What's that?
Oh, guy, everywhere good now. No shaking. Now the proper introduction they do so.
You know what?
Yes, sir.
You guys to go back to your work.
Okay, sir.
Okay, wait. See, you get person who have for like make you carry come this shop. This person, na rat papa. You know where all the rats dey for this shop. No could just carry and enter the shop. Then you go understand. You go know what they talk. Get who just carry and come. This guy, he good. Don't worry. He good.
Are you done? I have something to do, please.
I'm ready. So, don't mind that one. No day. Don't mind that one. For back. You know they say that person will still hand dollar.
Amen. My G! Oh, it's fine.
All the game that will you remember me? Will you remember me? Save money today, money to save tomorrow. Because you sad, this man will remember you. Will you remember me? Save money today.
I see.
So I'll give you this man, no go remember me.
I see.
You don't remember me.
What's he doing? No be OG. Let's calm down. OG!
What is going on here?
Okay.
Wow.
What is going on?
Okay,
Wow. Wow, yeah. Wow. When the wow here, wow.
I see.
Oga,
What is the meaning of all this?
What thing is the meaning of all that?
Oh gosh. Are you okay?
I am okay.
Can someone tell me what is going on here?
Wait. Oga, wait oh. Choma. Even you, una not tell Oga wetin happen. Now to carry big ears down for this chair, they press this chair on your own. Innocent chair, una not fit tell Oga wetin happen. Which one say I tell you? Oga, see make I play you tape oh. You get wetin sup for this shop and wetin I wan tell you. You get one rat. One big rat like that. Then they two. Wait now, make I tell Oga now. Them dey two rats. They come bite this woman for bonbon for your shop oh. They bite, they hold am. If you see, na me na, trust me na. Na me still give am wrong.
You know what? Isaac.
Oga, you want?
I'm one.
Oji!
Oga, no one here.
Oji, go forget me like that. How come you call me since now?
I lose that.
Oji. I didn't happy like this name now, Sammy. Oji. You lose that like this now. I say you don't want it.
See, all the thing that come well like.
Hey!
Say only today, when you say it tomorrow. Because of who side this friend.
Oh, sir. If I may ask, who is she?
Miss Gorgeous, current Miss Gorgeous.
Oh, wow. Miss Gorgeous Nigeria?
Yeah.
I can't wait to work with her. Okay, you know what? It's my pleasure to work with you guys. Okay?
Do have it in mind. Our privacy is very, very important. Very, very important.
You don't have any problem with that.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks, Gorgeous. Thank you.
Oga, greeting. Good afternoon. How dey be? You don chop?
Isaac. Can I help you?
Hello. You remember that time where I tell you say you get person wey I go carry come, like my partner in rat killing? You understand? I don't carry them show. You get? You know say if you no give me listening ear, but me I still follow up. I got your back. I dey work for you. You get? I been tell you one, but now I carry two. So now we dey three. Professionals now will be. We kill art for a living. So how dey be now? Make I call them when they enter. Make you employ them sharp.
Can you just remove this thing right here?
I'm shaking now. I'm gonna be doing anything for you.
Isaac. Isaac. Isaac.
Okay, waiting now. Why can't they call my name anyhow? Waiting the shop now. How far?
How many times did I call you?
Me no even know self. I don't lose count. I don't know.
Get him in.
You be correct guy. You know why I like you? Your elder brother they give us joy, but risky. They give us joy for Instagram to go and meet me and you. You be correct guy. You be cruise like your elder brother. Risky.
Isaac, get them in.
Tika. Open it. Tika. Na tell na Jesus Christ. Oh, the shoot him now. Hold on. Excuse me.
Isaac. Why do you bring this little children in my office?
Jesus Christ. We no be children o. Just give us this work, we go kill all rats here. If you go 040, you go see our signpost here. This man here na our boss. Correct it. Ezigbo OG n'ime ogbe.
Confirm.
Ezigbo OG n'ime ogbe. You dey hear am?
Oga,
Ma tell you something. My name be Chiko. They hear Chiko. They know they play with Chiko. Ma they tell you something. You see me, I be woman eh. May no just judge me and say I be woman. Anything man feed do, me I go feed do and pass man.
Come here, this man.
If na rat, I go kill. I go kill and pass this man here now.
Chiko.
I mean, may no they tell us to be small children.
Okorogi, Isaac, Oga. Did you see what you just cursed here? You know what? I don't want to see you guys here again. Get out from my office!
You want us to kill you here?
Let us go.
Take it easy now.
Make we start.
Get out from my office!
Alright.
Chiko.
No much stuff.
Last, let me be obey smally. Now, let me be Chiko. Then take it easy.
Ogu Sam Consambu, you remember me? Chiko. You remember me? You remember me?
No trust Chiko.
Chiko.
I go remember you.
Chiko.
OG.
Chiko.
OG.
Chiko. Your OG na is OG ni Ogbu. Yata. Enwe mi ala oklo kanisa. Oya. Agata na. Chiko. Chiko lo mo na. Chiko nda liko Chiko.
Oh! I think wait me all these ones now. Who be this small boys them? Small picking with they work with now.
Man, tell you. Rats wait there and go no say all for to me more be abata go never.
Shut up.
Yeah.
See, how long will they put gala for everywhere around this shop now? Say on they set up. Which kind of rubbish be this one now? Or kind of go like this thing we they do? And this customer say they find am funny. Concentrate to your work.
Every occasion listen to me, make I tell you now you have to mind your business. Now work we come work. You understand? We don't come here and complain. As you take the receive your salary, now so me and my cartel take the receive our own salary. You dey hear me? So I take God beg you, I take Olivia dey way dey for heaven, beg you, mind your business. No dey talk no so. Okoma give we akananya.
No akananya.
This guy do chicken for your eye.
Concentrate in your work. Concentrate.
Concentrate.
Ginny boss. In school.
Take it easy, my friend. What's wrong with you?
Do my work my day now. Now my work I do.
Is that why you are knocking me that way?
You don't get respect.
Oga, he came here to do his work now. Let him do his work finish.
Stop speaking English for you. No, say you
What is your own now? What is your own? Who will I slap you?
That's what I do work here.
We be colleagues now. Colleagues dey talk to colleagues now. You dey talk to colleagues now. Chiko hana wa for you. Na colleagues.
Timi boss kitie si eba anu apo. Tike eba anu. Ti eba apo. Timi
Chiko.
They no normal, no best.
Where are you going to?
I work with Samsung now.
Samsung now has a salon. Big one, sir. Very big and fine. It's upstairs, though. It's not far. It's upstairs here. Yes. Hey, look at you.
I'm fine. I'm just sitting there. I thought you would be your mother in law with that guy.
I don't want to go again. I don't want to go to Obodo Yibo.
Are you sure?
Let me just be here. I'm managing.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let me take care of things here.
Okay. You're looking fine now.
You will come.
I know you don't have.
Come. You give me two.
I'm still fine.
Shake off his eyes. I'm coming. I'm coming. This bag, keep two for me. I'm coming. So, how may I help you?
Auntie Jessica!
How How are you?
Like, you see me fine. You looking so fine.
Thank you. This place is good.
The place is fine, and the doing is very good. This is very fine. You fine, no? Look at so. I've missed you. I don't think.
Thanks, I miss you too.
Good.
Is your boss?
Yes. Perfect timing for you. I think you just came in now. You should be in his office right now. His office is over there. Won't just go like that. You see his office.
Should I go for it?
No, don't see now. Shut up. Go. Don't worry. Go. Come back home before you go meet me. See. My madam. You gonna calm down. You carry face and see that shit.
Yes, this place is big and fine. Hey! Now what?
My dear, you have to believe me when I say we are living in a damn world.
It is crazy, my dear. I can see all by myself. We're doing well. Doing good.
Well, no matter what, we are moving forward.
We are moving.
So, tell me, how have you been? I mean, how are we coping?
My dear, it's a motivational thing for me, so I'm trying to cope with it and live with it like I can. I'm pleasing myself.
Before I forget, please, what can I offer you?
You want to take me out for lunch? Lunch is good. Anything will serve.
You know what? Just give me a minute.
Okay. I'll chicken to you, bro. I'll chicken.
Oh, Jennifer, are you supposed to clean this toilet or not?
How will like? I don't understand.
That English. I want to tell you something. Let me just you. You see, that's my Oga, me, your former madam. Not even my former madam, my former Oga girlfriend. Gonna carry herself and see now she get show. She get plan. She get plan. Mom, even talk. You too like a pro. What's the problem? So why? I don't understand them. Don't have plans. You see, as this our Oga did like this now. She don't come to collect the shop sef. She go first start to. She won't date her. She will take this shop. Very soon go dey call her. Hey, about this thing. My former Oga girlfriend. I know very well, Madam Jessica. She go show us Pepe very soon. No man, she dey act like this. She go show us Pepe. Down. You know, I suspected that the first day she entered this shop, everything about her was just so seductive.
So, my dear, I hope you have fun.
Yes, I had fun. No, I didn't know you were this smooth and calm. I had fun.
You have not known me well.
Maybe.
So, tell me, what do you think about this place?
This place is nice, perfect location and everything, but the flow of customers is slow. I was expecting this place to be bubbling and all those things, with the decor and everything. It's supposed to be, happy, but it's not. It's too quiet.
I see. Well, today is Monday. Business normally dull.
I know it's Monday, but there are some salons you go to, even on Sundays. The place is hot, customers are flowing. Please know what to do. See to it that this place is,
You know what?
What?
I'm going to make you the manager of this place.
Are you serious?
Yeah, trust me.
Me?
Yeah.
That one is perfect. Good. That one is good though. Hey, manager. Don't worry. I will manage all this place well. Our customers will be flowing like water.
You know what?
Good.
It's time for introduction. Let's just go on.
Hey, now. No. Me manager. Hey! Auntie Jesse, come on!
on again now. Come, what do you miss his money?
What is all this on the floor?
What is all this? Is that it?
Isaac.
Where is that stupid boy?
Oga, he's outside. Wait outside.
You know what? Just follow me. Let's go and find him.
I think I'm just trying to go.
Jesus Christ!
Oga.
Isaac!
Oga.
What kind of rubbish is this? What is this? So you have turned my salon into shrine, right?
Oga, shrine me. Oga, no be shrine no. This thing na Amadioha. Na me personally go carry this Amadioha from Imo Ogbu, all the way from Imo Ogbu. You know say the thing no be for you, but last na still for you. Understand? Na for your benefits.
No wonder customers are not coming to you.
Who be this kukere now? Who be this one? Where she from?
You know what? Before I read my eyes now, I want to remove all this thing from here.
Okay, na the work I dey do. Na the work I dey do. See, I don manage kill all the physical rat wey dey this shop. E remain the spiritual one, and I go kill all of them one by one. It's a gradual process. Work is in progress. Trust me now.
Did I just hear you say spiritual rat?
Yes, now you no know. They full your shop, oh. Hey, you don't know what I dey do for you. Okay, what's happen? No be rat, now, Oga. No be rat, now. Wait, now.
I want to send this idiot to his hairy grave.
You don't know what to talk. Now the work I dey do now. Eh?
He's sending him.
I'll do that to you.
What is happening in my shop? Like those. Okay. Hello? Isaac. Isaac. See, just listen to me first. Just listen to me. See, I don't want to see you again in my shop again. Don't ever come close to my shop. If I see you anywhere, don't worry, you'll see what I will do to you.
So your mood is like this. What's the problem? Why are you, all bothered up?
See, babe, I'm not happy. I don't want to express what boss experienced with Santos. Santos was claiming that he's the owner of the shop. See, as I am now, I need capable people and normal people in my office.
I understand. I understand the feeling and everything. And I promise you, your salon is not going to be like that. If it's because of that Isaac matter, just that one is small now. You can handle it. You can take care of it. Don't allow it bother you. Don't just allow it bother you. So, what are you going to do about Isaac?
Anyway, I've called him on phone. I don't want to see him along my office again.
Well, that's okay. That's good, but just take it easy. Yeah, that is why I'm here for you. I'm here to help you run this business.
Serious?
Hey! We're going to make it the ultimate. Don't worry. Yeah? Calm down.
Okay.
The suspension you gave him is enough. I'm sure by now he will start thinking.
Are you?
I'm here for you. Please come, let's go, Joe.
Oga, I'm done.
So how much is my bill?
2,500.
Now wow. This service is cost though.
Oga, no.
And I won't make a fine for this country again now.
Oga, it's not like that though. The price.
You want to finish my money
Oga,
now?
give me. Thank you, sir. Thank you. How did you stop that?
So you're projecting like this. I hope you're okay.
Yes, ma'am. Are you sure? Yes, ma'am. I just finished with customer.
Customer though? Hold on, no. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let me get to the office. Customer, well done, no? Attend to him well. Yes. You sure you're okay?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, God.
Really gets like too big, too big company that will supply my tech. And now, listen, there's something I want to tell you.
I'm listening.
See, we are in the 21st century. And we need to start doing things in that shop to be up to date. You understand? There is no organization or any office that doesn't have either a secretary or a cashier. You understand? We cannot be jack of all trade, master of none. We need to have a body or a person that will be handling the financial aspect of the company. Somebody, anytime money comes in, money goes out, the way everything, taking record of everything, how it comes in and how it goes out. You cannot, be doing everything by yourself.
You have a point.
Yes, I do. We need either a cashier or a secretary so that these girls will not, be handling money. Let them report everything to the cashier. You understand? That's what we need to do.
You mean those girls have been collecting my money without my notice?
No, it's not what I'm saying. But in order to prevent it from happening soonest, money will soon start coming into your office. You cannot be allowing those girls handle money and also be handling hair. You understand? Let them face salon work and leave money and finances to the cashier.
Then how can we get one?
Is that what you're saying, small? Leave that to me. I will get one for you. I know how to handle it.
Yes.
Yes.
I trust you.
I will handle this. I will handle everything.
You are one Kego Jurors by name.
Yes, sir. Kego for short.
Okay. I read that you have experience as a cashier.
Yes, I do.
Okay. If I may ask, what is a major challenge in this job?
What can I say? My years of challenges is over because I've had so many experience and I'm already exposed in this job. So I know that any challenges that comes my way in this my work, I will kick it off. So.
Okay, I'm looking forward for your service.
Thank you, sir. I know I will make you proud, sir.
Okay. You can also take care.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I will not disappoint you.
You're welcome, dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You know what? First thing tomorrow morning, you have to start work.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I will not disappoint you. Thank you, ma. Thank you very much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
I have news for everyone. This is Mwakego, the new salon cashier. The reason why I brought her in is to help us to mind your position in this salon. And any work we do in this salon, try and hand over the money to her. Then, Mwakego, after your balance every day, hand over all the money to Jacinta because she is the manager of this salon. Thank you very much. Do you have a question?
Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Why are you giving me 5,000?
That's what I need today.
What do you mean?
Yes?
You're meant to give me 6,000. You attended to 3 customers.
Nah! Now what thing I make today? Now not me make the hair.
You can't tell me that. Eh? Like serious? Is that how you people do here?
That is what I made today. I'm not going to boss person around there. That's kind of what I do this one.
Oh. Yes, person. And what was that?
Nothing more.
What else?
Sure, you know why I brought you here. I brought you here for you to be smart.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your eyes. This is that salon you see, they used to make money. I brought you in because you are my best friend's sister and I know you are a very, very smart girl.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you know salary cannot do you anything. You cannot be depending on salary. So, any small thing you have, you corner it my side, I give you your share and we are good. You hear me? Be smart though. Okay. How much do you make today?
20,000.
Give it.
No need of counting. It's 20,000.
Complete that. See what you're going to do. See this one. Put this one inside the cashier box.
Okay.
Hold this one. Hold it for yourself. Don't worry. More is coming. More is coming from where that came from. While I hold this one. Yeah? After you sort. Just remove 2 people from the list. It will correspond. No wahala. No wahala. I have a nice day. So yeah, coming. Okay. Hey!
What is that?
Shampoo.
No, but I told you that you make use of this shampoo in the first place. Before I said, bro, my girl.
So this is just a shampoo.
No, I told you that you make use of this shampoo on me. What's your problem?
But you said
I told you that you make use of the first place. What is all this?
affect your hair now, sir. Why are you shouting?
No, I told you from the start that she makes use of the shampoo on me. What's your problem?
Sir.
What is going on here? I told her that she shouldn't make use of the shampoo on me, but she doesn't listen. Is that no?
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Is that you put your customers around here? Let's leave. Bro, calm down. Let's leave, please. Bro, this is what it costs? Bro.
So it's not my fault, but this is just the shampoo. We used to
Get out of this place!
To the gutters.
Isaac. What can I do for you, Isaac? Isaac, I told you, stop calling my number again. And I don't want to see you in my office again. See, let me tell you something. See. Yes. Okay. It's better go to your village and open a shrine. Do you understand me? My shop is not a shrine where you can open a shrine and say that you are or whatever. Understand? Stop calling my number again. Rubbish.
We need this black. Now we need this black to come. The red complements the black.
Okay, what of this? Don't you see this one? I like this one.
It's good, but let's go for that one.
That's reminds me. What of our new salon cashier?
I told you I will handle everything in that office. She's doing perfectly well. I told you.
Good to hear that.
Thank you.
Guess what?
What?
This stupid Isaac, or whatever he called his name, just called me on phone, was like, hey boss, please, I want to come back. Blah, 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 blah. That's me now. I told you, Isaac, please, I don't need in my salary again. I don't even want to see me. Understand? It's better you go back to your village and open a shrine. I don't need him again. That's me now.
My dear, see Isaac calling you for what now? I beg you should stay on place.
Let's just forget about all this other stuff. What is this girl?
She's coming, she went back, she's coming.
Okay. Please, can you bring your POS?
Yes, want to buy this one and that one. How far? You see, today we need to cash really big. We need to clear like 4 customers. Understand? We need real money this time around. Okay? We need to pack real money. Understand? It's alright. Let me go and eat. Alright. What is going on here? Anka.
Devil.
How? How?
So, it is true.
What is true?
I thought that this poor girl was trying to fill me up. I don't even know that you are worse than Isaac.
No, now. It's not like that. Eh? Okay, go talk to him now. It's not the way you think it.
You know what? I don't want to see him in my office again. Just
No. Okay, go explain to him now. It's not the way you think it is.
Just out from my office or I will call police now.
I'm sorry now. It's not like that. It's not. Get out! Is that why you're shouting? Eh? Is that why you're shouting like that? Get out! What is even in this your useless office? Eh? You! I brought you into this shop and you think you can outsmart me. Don't worry. I will handle your matter later. I will handle 12 you later. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Good.
You will see me outside.
If you want to get the man, just target his head. I'm getting to the point. I'm almost there.